This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Enable developer options and USB debugging on your Android because it gives the Mac direct file access. Once done, install Android File Transfer on the Mac for USB transfers. This app bridges the MTP protocol. If you prefer wireless, make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi and install an SFTP or FileShare app on Android. Connect the cable or open the app now, because that initial handshake lets the systems recognize one another and proceed to listing files. You choose a method. With USB, tap the Android notification and select File Transfer, then open Android File Transfer on Mac so folders and files appear. For wireless, launch your SFTP or SMB server app on Android and connect via Finder or an FTP client from Mac. Once connected, drag and drop folders. Use a single ZIP for many small files to avoid overhead and speed up transfer. Make sure transfers are complete by checking file sizes and timestamps before disconnecting, because partial copies cause error. You finish by verifying integrity. Open several transferred files on the Mac to confirm sizes and content. Once satisfied, eject or safely disconnect to avoid corruption. If something goes wrong, first toggle the Android USB mode between charging and file transfer and try another cable. Many faults are physical. If wireless fails, check that the Mac firewall isn't blocking the port and that you use the correct IP address. Finally, reboot both devices and repeat. Restarts clear transient permissions and network hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.